When faced with dissatisfaction regarding the quality of work or its outcome, it's essential to demonstrate a mature and productive response. The interviewer aims to understand how one reacts to failure in the workplace, as it is inevitable that dissatisfaction will arise at some point. The key to a successful response is to showcase the ability to recover from disappointment and grow from the experience. To answer this question effectively, recall a past instance where work was unsuccessful, and briefly describe the situation to the interviewer. Be sure to include the steps taken to rectify the situation and discuss the lessons learned from the experience. It's also important to explain how those lessons have been applied to improve the quality of work. When responding, it's crucial to avoid implying that one is always 100% satisfied with their work, as this can come across as overconfident. Statements such as "I'm never dissatisfied with my work" can be perceived as indicating a lack of coachability. A more effective approach would be to acknowledge high personal standards and a willingness to revisit and improve work until it meets those standards. For example, expressing that while rare, dissatisfaction with one's work is an opportunity to reassess and redo until the desired quality is achieved. Ultimately, the goal is to demonstrate the ability to respond to dissatisfaction in a productive and growth-oriented manner, showcasing the capacity to learn from mistakes and apply those lessons to improve future performance.